Forget ClickBank, forget Digistore24. There is a brand new affiliate marketing platform that just launched, and it has products that you can promote for up to $10,000 per commission. And people who started just a couple of weeks ago are already making thousands of dollars, and some have already passed $30,000 in commissions. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how this new platform works, how to get priority access completely for free, and how to find the high-ticket products that pays up to $10,000 per sale. And as a bonus at the end, I will show you how to get traffic into these products using AI characters, which are faceless AI-generated avatars that promote and sell this product for you 24/7 while you can stay in the background completely invisible. And some of these are generating millions of views, tens of thousands of followers, and even hundreds of thousands of dollars per month. Okay, welcome everyone, it's Korsby here, and even before starting, if you will be enjoying this video, don't forget to leave a like, and if you want to see more up-to-date step-by-step tutorial like this one, then don't forget to leave a subscribe. And if you don't want to be waiting for the bonus at the end about AI characters, then you can just go down below in the description and you can find there my complete comprehensive AI Influencer Playbook, in which you can discover top 3 AI character models which are absolutely crushing it right now on social media, and plus you will discover 6 different monetization methods how you can take these AI avatars and turn them into online income. It's below this video and you can just take it. So I've been in affiliate marketing for years now. I used ClickBank, Digistore24, Warrior Plus, private affiliate offers, and made tens, even hundreds of thousands of dollars with these platforms. But usually I had one problem. Most of the products were low quality and just didn't pay enough. See, on those platforms, usually you can find low price products which are usually supplements, get rich quick schemes, get some results doing absolutely nothing, which usually are not going to give any value or result to the customer. But my goal is not just to make money, but in the first place, benefit other people with the products I'm promoting. And on this new platform that I'm about to show you, you can find mostly courses, programs, mentorships, retreats, and physical products from reputable companies and creators. And the platform I'm talking about is called OfferLab, that just launched a couple of days ago. And as you can see on the headline, this is the best way to sell online together, where top creators and affiliates team up, sell in one smooth checkout, and turn shared audiences into shared wins. What this basically means is, if you want to build online business and you want to be making money online, you don't have to go and create any product by yourself. You don't have to create physical product, you don't have to create course, you don't have to create mentorship, you don't have to create website or automations or get team of people. What you can do is to go to the platform like OfferLab and partner up with creators that you already know from YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram. So if you want to get priority access to OfferLab completely for free, just go to the second link down below in the description. Once you will click on this link, you will get redirected on this page, and then I'm going to walk you through and show you exactly how you can find highly profitable affiliate products. So once you will be on this website, what you want to do is just scroll down a little bit and you'll find 3 different options. I'm offer creator. Probably most of the people watching this video are not offer creators, but the good news is that even though you're offer creator, you can actually use OfferLab to add here your product and then get affiliates to get sales for you. Then the second option is if you are funnel builder, because you can make money on this platform just by building funnels. And then the third option, I'm affiliate promoter, and this is the option we want to use. Then on the next page, you can find all the information how the affiliate marketing works on this website. But what you can just simply do, just go and click one of these yellow buttons, create your account now. And most importantly, right now, if you want to sign up, you need to request invite. But if you will use the link that I have shared with you down below in the description, you will receive private invitation from Vpreneurs, what is my company, and you can just add your name, your email address, and click on start selling together, and immediately you will get priority access to the OfferLab. And once you will have access to the OfferLab, now I want to show you exactly how you can find products that you can start promoting for up to $10,000 per commission. So first things first, you want to click on the marketplace, and inside of the marketplace, you will be able to find all of the products inside of the OfferLab that you can start promoting as affiliate marketer. There are multiple tabs like Explore, in which you can find the categories like is beauty and health, then all things brand building, style forward accessories, adventure, travel ready, home and wellness. But then there is another categorization like e-commerce, digital goods, courses and coaching and experiences. Now, even before showing you anything else, this platform was launched just a couple of days ago, and you can already find here hundreds of products. in next month or next couple of months, there is probably going to be thousands of products and also categorized bestsellers. But what I believe you're interested in the most is how to find a product that is going to pay you good commission, but at the same time, it's going to be high quality product. So let's take as an example this very first product right here that is called the Positive Leadership Bundle. So I'm going to open this. I can see immediately that this product is paying 50% commission, that I can learn what is this product all about and what is this offering. And if I'm going to scroll down a little bit, you can also see the pricing and payout. So for example, this product has a full price of $297, but if I'm going to promote it and someone is going to buy this product, I can make as affiliate commission $148.50. But in terms of information about this product, I didn't learn much because this page is not yet finished. But what I can do is to click on the preview, what is going to show me the sales page of this product. So now on this page, I can actually learn exactly what is this offer all about, what is inside of it, what will people receive after they will buy it, and I can understand the entire workflow. Now here is the cool stuff. You can find on OfferLab even offers from a name like is Brian Tracy, who is worldwide well-known motivational speaker, and also you can become affiliate for his product, which is not paying really well because it's just 15% commission, but I do believe this is going to improve. But again, if I'm going to preview, you can actually see that this is his product and you can become affiliate for it. So with this platform OfferLab, you can actually become affiliate for people that maybe you were used to seeing them in a TV. Then for example, also this one is quite cool, that is called Profitable Private Islands Blueprint, where people can probably learn how to buy their own private island. So learn step-by-step strategies to identify, acquire, and profit from private islands. And honestly, that's quite crazy. This one is paying $248 and I want to really see the sales page. And what I can see that at this moment, this sales page is very simple, but again, it's going to be improved because the platform just launched a couple of days ago. And as I was telling you at the beginning, you can even find here affiliate programs which are mostly focused on business owners. And for example, this one is going to pay you flat commission of $10,000. If you are asking who would pay $10,000 for this program, if I'm going to show you what is this product all about, it's basically 3-day live program one-on-one where someone is going to take some business owner or online coach, they will review and help him to optimize his sales system, then help him with AI, and then in day 3 receive one-on-one training. So for example, this product is not for everyone, but there are definitely people which are going to pay for this $25,000, and if you be promoting it, you can make $10,000 per one sale. And if you are a little bit like me and you're not focusing only on profit, then I want to show you a couple of personal recommendations which are amazing products with great mission, but at the same time are paying really nice commission. So the very first product is this VIP class that is about self-healing, and for this one you can actually earn $500 commission. Then another product, what is Unstoppable You 8 weeks alcohol-free empowerment program, so basically helping people to get rid of addiction on alcohol. And on this program you can make amazing commission of $1,350. And just a cherry on the top, I even found a program that can pay you $39,400. And to be honest, I'm not really sure if this is a real offer, but if yes, this is quite crazy. So on this platform OfferLab, you can find a huge variety of different products, from physical products to mentorships and courses, from low ticket products to high ticket products to absolutely insane high tickets where you can get paid $10,000 commission. And I believe this platform has potential to become way better than ClickBank or Digistore24. So now it's just up to you to get your link to OfferLab, sign up, go to the marketplace, do a little research. You can find products that you would like to promote that is paying you some good commission and also is going to help people. And then the only thing that you will actually need is a way on how to promote this product. Because I believe most of the people watching this video don't have millions of followers on social media. They don't have tens of thousands of dollars to invest into paid ads. And so you probably want to know what is the most effective way to get audience and drive traffic into your offers. So let me show you what is the absolute best way to drive traffic in 2025, what is at this moment a huge trend and everyone is blowing up. But instead of telling you, let me just show you.
Today as an AI influencer on Instagram. I'm so excited. This morning I went to the local coffee spot for my class.
What you can see on my screen right now is AI influencer, or AI avatar or character that is used on social media like Instagram, TikTok or YouTube to gain following and become influencer. And these videos are getting tens of thousands of views. For example, like this one that got 155,000 views, and let's watch it together.
And this is my last meal ever. Why? Not because I'm going on a diet, but because I'm an AI. I can do this.
What I'm talking about is that social media space is shifting in a big way. Normal real-life creators are being replaced by AI influencers, because some of them even made $250,000 in just 100 days. And while you're seeing this is at the very beginning. In the next 3 months, 12 months or 2 years, these AI influencers and many more, hundreds, thousands, maybe even hundreds of thousands more, are going to be growing social media following, are going to be getting brand deals, selling their own products, selling affiliate products, without ever showing up on a camera, recording content, or showing their face. And in my opinion, if you are now in a position where you are not making any money with your online business or running some strategy that is not giving you the results that you want, you should forget about everything else and start focusing on AI characters and AI influencers. Because this is where online space is heading in the next couple of months and couple of years. And if you want to know what are the most profitable AI avatars to get started in 2025 and exactly how to monetize them, then check the first link down below in the description where you can find my AI Influencer Playbook that is right now completely for free and you can just grab it. So in this video, I showed you the platform that is called OfferLab that you should get started with if you want to have access to high ticket and high quality affiliate products, and plus the absolute best way to drive traffic in 2025. So if you enjoyed this video, then don't forget to leave a like. If you want to see more up-to-date strategies and step-by-step tutorial like this one, then don't forget to leave a subscribe. But for this one, this was everything from you. I'm wishing you a fantastic day and see you in the next one.